This is the Chuwi HiPad Plus, latest Android tablet from Chuwi. The Chuwi HiPad Plus comes with a gorgeous bezel-less design with 90% screen-to-body ratio. It also comes with an 11-inch 2K Quad HD display with a resolution of 2176 by 1600 pixels and approximate 100% sRGB color gamut. To the front, it has a 5-megapixel camera for selfie and video calls, and to the back, it has a 13-megapixel camera and stereo speakers on either sides. Talking about the specifications, the HiPad Plus comes with a MediaTek MT8183 octa-core processor coupled with Mali G72 GPU. This processor is often compared to the Helio P70 or the Snapdragon 600 series. It also comes with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and powering all this is a massive 7300 mAh battery. Some other features in the Chuwi HiPad Plus are 5GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, USB Type-C and Android 10 out of the box. The HiPad Plus is available for $250, and Chuwi is also doing a giveaway of the HiPad Plus in their website. In addition to that, you could also win a $50 coupon. Link in the description. My opinion on the HiPad Plus is that with this MediaTek chipset, HiPad Plus is good for students for note-taking, online classes and casual gaming. And with a 2K display and thinner bezels, HiPad Plus is good for content consumption as well. Let me know what do you think about the HiPad Plus in the comment section below. With that being said, give this video a like, and for more short tech videos like this, subscribe to Tech Cluster. However, if you are interested in more tablets from Chuwi, check out the playlist at the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.